everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. Today we're making one of my favorite party foods, buffalo chicken wing dip. This cheesy hot dip is so perfect for any party buffet, and it's great for the Super Bowl.
You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below.
Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to show you how I prepare my chicken breast, but you can use leftover chicken breast or chicken off of rotisserie that you've bought from the shop. That'll work just as well.
In an oven-safe pan, drizzle 1 large chicken breast with some olive oil, about a tablespoon. Chicken breast doesn't have a lot of fat, so this addition of oil will help to keep it nice and juicy. Season with about a teaspoon or so of salt and a nice sprinkling of sweet smoked paprika. This is optional, but it adds a beautiful smoky flavor to the chicken. I just use a fork to smush it all around and get it nicely coated. Now pop that into your oven. To a large bowl, add 280 grams, 1 1/4 cups of cream cheese, and 300 milliliters or 1 1/4 cups of sour cream. To this, you're going to add in 118 milliliters or half a cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce or your favorite hot sauce. Just start mixing that all together. You can use a hand mixer for an even smoother consistency. You can give it a little taste to see how spicy it is, and if you want more Frank's, go ahead and add some. This is a more mild version. To the bowl, add in 1 cup, 225 grams of shredded mozzarella, 1 cup or 225 grams of shredded cheddar, and just under 1 cup or 225 grams of blue cheese that's been chunked up. I like to save a little bit of the blue cheese for the top. Give that a really good mix to combine. You want to make sure all of the cheese is completely coated. Once your chicken has reached 165 degrees Celsius with an internal probe thermometer, it's ready to come out of the oven and shred with 2 forks. Shred it as chunky or as fine as you'd like your pieces of chicken to be. I prefer mine to be a little bit more fine so that I can pick up a bit of chicken on every chip. Once your chicken is shredded, pour it into your cheesy mix. Give that another really good stir, making sure all of the chicken is coated with the cheese mix. Now put your dip into a large oven-safe pan. I like to use a large shallow pan because it allows for more browning on the top of the dip. Spread it out nice and smooth and into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. While the dip is baking, I'm going to chop the tops of some green onions just to sprinkle on top of our baked dip at the end. Time to sprinkle with our remaining blue cheese and those green onions that we cut earlier. Nothing left to do except grab a chip, dip, and settle down for the big game.
If you love this dip, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up. And if you're looking for another sports day treat, check out my baked chicken wings. They're better than fried. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos, and we'll see you in the next one.